In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices in Freshbooks. This is a handy feature that can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you have clients who require regular billing. So without further delay, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices section within Freshbooks. This is where all the invoicing magic happens. Once you're there, look for the option that says Create New Invoice. If you have an existing invoice that you'd like to make recurring, you can start with that instead, which might save you a bit of time if you need the same details. Now that you have your invoice open, it's time to add the necessary details. This includes filling in your client's contact information if it's not already there, and then moving on to the line items. Be sure to add detailed descriptions and the respective rates for each item or service. The more details you include here, the easier it will be for both you and your client to understand the breakdown of the invoice. Once you have all the details in place, look to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Make Recurring. Big step here. Go ahead and select that. This is where you begin turning that one-off invoice into a regular occurrence. Easy, right? Next up, we're going to set up the schedule for these invoices. Start by choosing the start date. This date determines when the first invoice will be sent out. After that, decide on the frequency. Do you need to send this invoice weekly, monthly, or perhaps yearly? The choice is yours to make based on your arrangement with the client. Finally, set the number of invoices you'd like to send. You can specify a set number that you need or decide that it should continue indefinitely until you choose to stop it. With the schedule in place, let's move on to choosing your delivery options. FreshBooks gives you two main choices here. If your client has email and payment information on file, you can opt to send the invoice automatically. This means that every time an invoice is due, it will be sent and, if applicable, charged automatically without you lifting a finger. Alternatively, if you prefer to review each invoice before sending, select Create a Draft. This allows you to manually check and send each invoice, which might be useful if invoice details frequently change. Once you've decided on your delivery option, the last step is to save everything. Simply click Done to confirm the recurring settings, and then hit Save to create your recurring invoice template. And there you have it. Setting a recurring invoice with FreshBooks is as simple as that. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes your billing process much smoother. Thanks for watching.